G'day, Johnny from Lana, and I'm going to show you how in 5 steps, if you're using one of our integration partners that you can see on my screen, we're going to take you through from the initial communication and how that can be centralized and managed with Lana so that you never miss a lead again, how we automatically manage the customer within our CRM, how we integrate with your existing infrastructure and what you're using, so one of our partners, to manage and schedule the job and do your quoting, right through to your invoicing and debt collection, of course, reactivating customers so you're not spending money on Google Ads and Facebook every day. This is what you're going to learn in the next 2 minutes, so bear with me. Okay, so first and foremost, the initial conversation starts at the front end. Now, Lana, for example, is called Lana, Lead Automation Nurture App. So we capture all the leads in one place. That's check, that's stage 1. We automate tasks. That's stage 2. We nurture the customer. That's stage 3 and 4, all within one application. Okay? So the idea is as follows. If you have a typical trade business like many that I deal with, you'll have a website that looks just like this. You'll have a get a quote form or a contact form. You should have a web chat on your website, and it can be powered by AI to understand your business and book people straight off your website to have an appointment with you and get a quote rather than just Googling away and doing another Google search for another customer. You can capture them all through your website with Lana. We also have the ability, as you can see with the arrows, and it's pretty clear, if you have a phone that's working and you're missing calls, Lana's AI can take the call, or alternatively, it can divert it to 8 of your team members at the same time so that you never miss a call again. Those calls are received and the transcription is taken and received within Lana so that you're going to have a record for it when you are at the job stage. That's super important. We also integrate with and normally have customers that have B2B clients like real estate and builders. If you're getting PDF work orders and you're then having to manually type them out and get them into your job management software, not anymore. Lana pulls them in directly with one step. We automatically, and again, this is all done by our team out of the box. If you're using aggregators like ServiceSeeking, Bark, HiPages, you name it, we will automatically reply to the customer and create a job in your job management software, saving you on time to reply and ensuring that you win as many of those jobs as possible. And of course, social media. We all know about Facebook and Instagram, the ability to automatically reply and get your customer a professional response so that they know about your business, entered into your job management software, is going to save you countless hours and win you more jobs. So stage 1, all of your customer communication touch points can be managed by Lana without you doing a single thing. That's worth the price of admission alone. Stage 2, what happens internally once the lead is received? The contact is added into your CRM. That cannot be overseen, the value of that. If you're pushing it directly into your ServiceMate account via a ServiceMate form, that's not doing the job for you. Why? Because how are you going to reactivate that customer if they've come in to get a quote, you've pushed it into ServiceMate, you can't do any outbound prospecting. By capturing the lead within your CRM, you can tag the customer by type and you can do outbound bulk SMS and bulk email marketing to generate work. Yes, Lana can do seasonal promotions to create work for you. So every lead is automatically added to your CRM when it was last communicated with, who they are, conversations, who's spoken to that customer, and so on. That's all available at your fingertips. We provide a complete customer journey. So all of your pipelines are mapped out from new lead through to the quote being pushed into your job management software. Simply dragging a card will push the data across into your job management software, saving you hours and hours of admin time. Now, when someone comes to your website, for example, do they want to be able to schedule a call with your sales team? This is completely optional, but it works very well to enable your customers to not only get a text about who you are and what you do, but the ability to schedule a call with your sales or admin team to get a quote. What does that do? It closes the loop off. If someone's come to your website, okay, and they've actually put in an inquiry to get a quote, isn't it nice that they get a text, but also the ability to schedule a call in with someone in your team when you're back in the office? That's the value of what Lana brings. Now, what's actually being presented to the customer as well? Why not send them a little bit of information about who you are, what you do, your awards, your licenses, all those things that build credentials that they're going to be working with a professional outfit who's coming into their home potentially to do a job. That's the kind of professionalism Lana will offer you. And again, you have not had to do a thing. If they do schedule an appointment, being able to send out information about your recent projects, who you are, what you do. Potentially, you may want to create compliance docs for your techs before they go out. Lana can facilitate all of that in stages 1 and 2 without you having done a single thing. So, you've now got to the stage where you've decided, this is where the human comes in. Do we want to quote, and I mean by human, I mean by you and your team. Do you want to quote this customer? And if you do, we have a seamless ability to create a contact. So I'll show you how it works. Over here inside the opportunity section, you have the ability to seamlessly grab a contact and push it directly into your job management software. You grab the card over here. I can bring one up for you. You grab the card and I bring it over and I push it into Simpro by dragging a card just like that. It instantly creates a contact and a quote in your job management software. That's super, super powerful. Now that you're inside of Fergus, ServiceMate, Simpro, Aroflo, whatever it may be, you just do what you do as per normal, except it's now powered by Lana to chase quotes, do debt collection, send out appointment reminders, and much, much more. So if I just show you this document at the bottom, it's all been built for you out of the box. So on the front end here, you've got all those touch points where customers are communicating with you. Now that you're inside of your job management software, all of your quotes and job queues and your invoicing, we've triggered all the text messaging and notifications to your team, whether it be the admin, techs, accounts, so that we are across every stage of the customer journey. This is what me and my team have built for you from start to finish. A reliable linear system from start to finish so that you don't have to think about it. So stage 3, you're doing the quote, you're familiar with it. If you're in ServiceMate and you're using the job queues and badges, we've got you covered. It'll be integrated to track all of the above. Whether you're in Simpro and its cost centers, whether it's Aroflo with events and tasks, Lana knows how, and our team know how you operate in these systems so that we can track the entire customer journey. Okay? That means when you've hit job complete, Lana's going to trigger out a survey, Google review, and much more, all automatically. Very, very powerful. And again, stuff that you would love to be doing manually, but you probably just don't have the time to get around to it. That's what Lana's going to offer you. Invoicing and follow-up, that speaks for itself. If you're sending out invoices or you want Lana to create invoices for you, we can. Generating jobs with campaigns. Now, we know the importance and how obviously it's essential that if you are going to have a CRM, its most valuable asset is the ability to communicate with your customers. So being able to send out direct campaigns to them, as it shows here, being able to send out a coupon when the job's completed after 3 weeks. Hi, how was the job? Did it meet all your requirements? Is there anything else you need? Oh, by the way, any friends or family looking to use our services, and we can customize coupons for your business to do follow-ups, and we can do it by job type that you're doing as well. That's what Lana can do from start to finish. Get in touch with my team. Simply go to lanasoftware.com.au, and we do offer the ability for us to do a one-on-one demonstration with your team to explain our features and benefits to make sure that we're a perfect fit for your business. Have a great day.